Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anjali. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today's my topic is mathematics and in mathematics applications of Cartesian coordinates. Let us see about introduction about Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinates are a system for representing points in a plane using two perpendicular axes, that is usually labeled as x and y. The point's location is defined by its distances along these axes measured from a reference point called the origin O. In figure we can see four coordinates and x and y axis. Opposite to the x there is an x dash axis which represent negative x coordinates, and opposite to the y there is y dash axis which represent negative y coordinates. Relationship between Cartesian and polar coordinates. Let us see about a figure. We considering a point P randomly on the axis which has both polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates, that is P of xy represent Cartesian coordinates and P of r comma theta represents polar coordinates. R is the radius vector. Let us see about the relationship between Cartesian x comma y and polar r comma theta coordinates can be derived using trigonometry. If x comma y the Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are r comma theta, then we have x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, or 2x square plus 2y square minus ax whole square is equal to a square into x square plus y square, which is the required Cartesian form of the given polar form of required equation. Let us see about one example of Cartesian coordinates. The Cartesian coordinate system uses a horizontal axis that is called x-axis and a vertical axis called y-axis. Equation for lines in this system will have both x and y variable. For example, the equation 2x plus y is equal to 2 is an example of a line in this system. Now, applications of Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinates are also essential tools for most applied disciplines that deal with geometry, including astronomy, physics, engineering, and many more. They are the most common coordinate system used in computer graphics, computer aided geometric design, and other geometry related data processing. Cartesian coordinates are the foundation of analytic geometry and provide enlightening geometry interpretation for many other branches of mathematics, such as linear algebra, complex analysis, differential geometry, multivariate calculus, group theory, and more. A familiar example is the concept of the graph of a function. Cartesian coordinates. A coordinate system can be used to determine the position of any item from its starting point, known as the origin, to its current location. For example, we can measure the distance between the watch and the television from the other side of the room. And the last advantages is advantages of a projected coordinate system on the Cartesian plane. Calculations of distances between the points are trivial. Calculations of areas are relatively easy. Graphics representations are realistic provided the area covered is not too large. The Cartesian form helps in representing a point, a line, or a plane in two-dimensional or in three-dimensional plane. The Cartesian form is represented with respect to the three-dimensional Cartesian system and is with reference to the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.